Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Infinite Landscapes blog. So I'm at a project in Cerritos that was designed-ish about a year ago, and I wanted to show you what the garden looks like a year later. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between with a bit of art mixed in. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. So this garden was lawn, and more lawn, and we took out the lawn, reused a lot of the existing succulents that the clients had, and replaced it with a mixture of new succulents, existing succulents, California native plants, a street tree that we can't touch. There's some aeoniums, some hot lips, sage. We experimented with using decomposed granite as mulch. We do have an issue here with slight bit of runoff, which what we're going to do to fix it is just extend the gravel. We have some sun drops here, and there's plenty of room to walk around and get around the garden. And what's nice is that the client says that he comes out here maybe twice a year to trim plants, and maybe once every couple of months to do a bit of weeding, but not really. Which I think is nice. Super low maintenance. Most of the succulents that you see here were pre-existing. We just reused them. Kept all the existing hardscape.